Okay.
It's going.
So the flame from this lighter is going to make thermal energy, which we're going to put onto this string, which has gravitational potential energy in this ball. The ball is going to fall and hit these strings, which are going to create electric energy that goes through this wire and into the amp, which creates sound energy. The gravitational potential energy converts into kinetic energy and falls down, hitting that box. Then the box hits the wood, and that hits the fire engine, which makes the bottle that already fell fall. The fire engine falls because the gravitational potential energy converts into kinetic energy. Then the water bottle falls due to the same reason. Then the baking soda in the balloon falls into the vinegar, and that creates a new gas due to chemical change and a chemical reaction, and that creates more gas, which
converts the elastic potential energy in the balloon and forms it into kinetic because the balloon blows up.
Yeah. And then while this hits this, it's going to also hit this, which hit this bar, and then this ball is going to fall down that ramp, and that is gravitational potential energy converted into kinetic energy, which makes it fall down here and hit this puzzle piece. The puzzle piece is going to hit this piece of wood, which has gravitational potential energy, which converts into kinetic energy. And that falls down, hits this mouse, and the mouse sends electromagnetic energy waves through the air, I guess, and it makes this computer play music. It sends it makes the computer have electricity, which is electric, and then it is proven through the music that plays through the speakers.
Okay, here you go. Right. Now, the puzzle piece also hits these dominoes, which converts gravitational potential energy to kinetic, and they all fall. Up here, one of the dominoes knocks over this truck, or this car, whatever, train, which presses a button on the phone. The phone calls, which sends electromagnetic energy and waves to another phone, which I will talk about later. Then another set of dominoes falls due to gravitational potential energy converted to kinetic, and it knocks down this Mentos, which falls down this ramp due to gravitational potential energy converted to kinetic, and it falls into that glass of Coke. The Coke is going to fizz because a chemical reaction occurs, which is a conversion of potential energy to chemical. Okay, so once the phone calls, it's gonna call this phone. Okay, this phone is going to make music, which is sound energy, and it's also going to vibrate, and it's going to fall, which is a conversion of potential energy to gravitational potential energy to kinetic, and it's going to turn this light switch on, which is heat energy, thermal energy. Okay.
So it's going to make that light turn on and off, or just turn on.
Turn on. Yes.
Okay.
Take 31. Go press the button. Light. No. Okay. No, wait. Okay, there's chemical energy right here. The balloon blew up. And there's the fizzing Coke because the Mentos added. Okay, bye.
It's funny because she can play basketball and I can't.
I can't play basketball. See, I can.